Hey, how's it going? It's been a little while since I updated the progress on the 68 Camaro here, so I figured we'll do a little walk around and see what I've been up to. So as you can see, it's all painted. Start putting it back together. So I painted it back in, I think October. Yeah, October. It's now March, so it's got about, whatever, 6 months or so of dust on it, so. But got the rally wheels on it, got the door handles in it, got my window fuzzies, got my glass, got my roof drip rail molding chrome on there. Still got to put my front, I got my rear wheel opening moldings on. Still got to put the front ones on. Grill headlights all in there. I did start it up. That's the 383 stroker, the TCI Turbo 350. Started it up first time a couple weeks ago, runs good. Disc brake conversion, Holley headers, aluminum radiator. Got a guy coming in about 15 minutes to put a new windshield in it. So we're doing that. I got the wiper motor back in. I got a new dash pad. That is a Alnock dash pad, which fits pretty nice. Looks nice. Yeah. So I got the glass in. Started putting the interior together. I put, can't really see in this light. Put a retro sound stereo in it. New console, set of Kenwood 6x9s, custom auto sound stereo speaker there in the dash. I got the back glass in with the stainless on. I think the last video I did was painting the trunk, which came out really good. It looks, this is it all dried up. I wasn't crazy about it at first. Once it dried up, it looks really good. This is the Zolatone, black and aqua. See, this wiring harness here is a nightmare. I got a new one. A new one right there to put in. But yeah, been kicking butt on it. New rear bumper, new taillight bezels. But yeah, I'll update you as I go. Thanks for watching.